In this video, I'd like to introduce the topic of production, and I will do so by providing the necessary definitions that are going to help us build on top of them. So, with that being said, let's have a look over here. Total product, that's going to be the total output produced by a firm in a given time period, utilizing its fixed factors of production and variable factors of production. If you remember from the previous video, we discussed that in the short term, the fixed factors of production are not changing because it's a fixed cost that we incur once, and the production itself is going to depend on the variable factors of production, which in most cases are going to be the labor that we employ. So with that being said, if we have a look at the average product, the average product is going to be the total output created by a firm divided by the number of units of the variable factor employed. So mathematically, we are going to have the number of units of goods produced, okay, whether that's apples or bananas or anything in between, goods produced, divided by the number of the units of the variable factor employed, For instance, that could be the number of employees that we hire as a variable factor. So we would have how many goods do we produce per employee hired. That would be the average product. When it comes to the marginal product, we have to look at it as a first order derivative. The change in the total output when we add one additional unit of the variable factor. So one more time, if we hire one more employee, by how much would our total product, our total output change? That would be the marginal product. I hope this all makes sense. In the next video, I will discuss a bit more about the average product and the marginal product using two graphs. I appreciate you all watching. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe, and we are done.